Hello, YouTube world. This is Johnny Moe coming to you today. We are going to change the grinding dish today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so what we're doing here today is we are taking our blades, we are sharpening them. As you can see, I have the small finned. This is after I changed the grinding wheel, so this is what's going on for the spring. The mower I'm putting this on will not start out for spring cleanups. I will still use the, check that out. Look, isn't that nice? I love that blade sharpener. Just 3 passes. What's nice about this blade sharpener is, honestly, guys, it really does a great job keeping that 30-degree angle. Keeping your blades helps keep them balanced, help keep them sharp longer. And you can just run them off your mower real quick. As you can see here is what I'm doing is I'm checking the balance of them. Looks like I have an unbalanced blade to the left. And we're going to balance that out real quick. It's really not that far out of balance. Just a couple passes through should solve it. But I'm going to be running the gator blades on the other Ferris mower to start the spring out, to get all the sticks up, to clean up any leaves that are left over. Probably the first 2 weeks it'll take me, and then this mower will be the main mower pretty much for the whole year. And as you know, in the spring, I use these smaller fin blades because the grass grows so much, and it really helps get the grass out of that deck. So I'm just giving you a little show of how this grinder works. Right here, I'm working on this tip. I got a little nick out of this chip, but I'm trying not to burn it because you don't want to turn your blades blue and black from burning it because it gets so hot. So I'm really trying to get it. I didn't really get it the way I wanted to, and it kind of stinks. But hey, you know. But this is what we're doing. I ask you guys what you're doing. This is what I'm doing. We're out here. We're hustling. So I'm showing you before and afters of the blade. I'm showing you how good of a job this does. You just ride it right alongside there, and it really gets a good job. Really does a great job. So check this out. Let's see here. See if I'm going to show you again. I know I'm going to probably put this back on the thing here. But guys, that's my time. I really appreciate you checking out this video. Give me any comments if you have any questions down below. And you guys have a great winter.